Colin Loeffler, and I farm here with my dad on Loeffler Farms. Well, when I was growing up, it was my grandpa and my dad running the farm. I just kind of grew up doing that with them. Always had wanted to come home and farm.
My son Colin is fourth generation now, and he actually lives here at the house. My grandfather Alfred started it. My father Don took it and ran with it and made it a lot of what it is today. Fortunate to be able to grow over time. We took some significant growth in the early 2000s, and we've been able to maintain that with good equipment, and that's one evolution that's kind of brought us to where we're at today, is covering more ground on a more timely fashion.
Altorfer and Loeffler started a relationship in the late 90s, mid to late 90s, with a Caterpillar tractor. I believe they're third or fourth generation, as well as Altorfer being in their third generation on the farm. So it's kind of cool to see their progression as a farm, as us growing our business, to be able to support them as their business grows.
When Fendt came out in 2018 with the combines, we had a 2-month-long session here where they were bringing people in, engineers and customers, just try to get a feel for it. It was a good combine. Brent Hoadley, Kenny, Kurt, everybody has done a hell of a job keeping us moving, and we really appreciate that. They've always been there, even to the point where we're like, it can wait till tomorrow, but no, it doesn't wait until tomorrow. So I really appreciate that, but the service has been phenomenal. They're not in it just for today, they're in it for the long haul.
I'm running an 1162, a Fendt 1162. It's a 620 horsepower tractor, and I'm running a HORSCH Joker behind it, 40 foot wide, running about 11 miles per hour right now, doing spring tillage about 2 1/4 inches deep. And we're do that to get ready for preparation of the seed bed for planting. We had always had Cat 2-track tractors ever since I was a little kid. And then once the Fendt came out, I actually was the first one to get to go drive it out in the field and take it through a ditch. And the track system, giving a little bit more flex to it, the ability to kind of walk through waterways and stuff like that really makes the ride as an operator much more enjoyable. It lacks no power, and the transmission is just a fun and easy thing to drive. Every single person we've ever had hop in, it's like, I don't want to go do anything else.
The 1050 Vario tractor here, it has about 510 horsepower. We have it on row crop tires with the tire inflation system on it. Absolutely love the tractor. The tire inflation system is great for a very low footprint, low compaction. Really love the cab layout, and the Fendt 1 cab has a lot to offer as far as customizability. It's very, very comfortable to spend very long days in.
It's our goal on the field service side to maximize their uptime and productivity by bringing the parts and the mechanic to the field location wherever the customer is. That's different than a traditional dealership, maybe where the customer brings the product to the store. We have the remote field service capability to come see the customer on site, have parts the same day, get the repair done on time, and keep them running so they don't miss any of this gorgeous weather that we're experiencing right now.
I would say responsiveness is very important, just being proactively looking for potential breakdowns that would help them, avoid major breakdowns throughout the season. Because if you show you care about them, then they will keep calling you back and keep coming back for more equipment.
For any operation, if you don't have someone you can work with and that you trust, you're not going to make it, because we can do whatever we want to do, but we don't have the expertise for the technology that is in this equipment. It takes more than just us operating the equipment and doing the basic maintenance. It takes expertise, and it takes some coaching, and just more people have had more experiences, and you're always better off in that regard, and that's what we found.
The difference between Altorfer and other dealers is our remote field service capabilities. We have 50 plus field service technicians out in the countryside where the customers reside. So we can be on site, get the final solution for the repair sooner than what you could do on a traditional field service support setup.
I'm very happy with all the people we work with. I feel everyone enjoys being here. It's hard for me to go on vacation sometimes because there's always something to do, but we've got a great group that we work with. New guys to guys that have been with us for 25, 30 years, to customers we've worked with for 40 to 60 years, to Altorfer, who's been over 30 years with us now, and it's a very good environment.